everyone, welcome back. I hope you are all having such a fabulous day and week. So today's video, as you saw in the title, is a what's in my travel makeup bag or pack with me. I don't know what I'm going to title it yet, but basically y'all are going to pack my cosmetics bag with me. I already have my tools in here and I didn't think I would go over that. It's a beauty blender and a bunch of boring brushes, but this is the Vera Bradley. I'll find it and link it below because I'm not sure what style it is, but it's a huge bag. It's great for travel. If you don't know, I've mentioned it here and there on my channel recently. My husband and I are going on a cruise by ourselves. This is our first kid-free vacation. We have been married 10 years. Let's see, our anniversary is June 10th, so it's next week. We will be on the cruise on our anniversary. This is the first cruise for both of us, so we're super excited. And if you didn't know, Brad and I got married with kids. We already had kids when we got married. So, I mean, we already had kids when we started dating. My first son, Brendan, is not biologically Brad's son, but he did adopt him. So he adopted him when he was 2.5. So anyways, I didn't know if y'all knew that about me, but we did have a little one when we got married. So, and then he had a son too, actually. So we're kind of a blended family and we've always had kids. So this is really super cool because this is like the honeymoon we never had. That's what we're doing. We are leaving tomorrow. So I do have a Friday favorites video that's going up tomorrow. But then I'm going to take the whole week off. I'm not going to upload anything and I'm not going to be responding because I'm pretty sure internet access is not very good out in the ocean. So we're going on a Caribbean cruise, just in case you wondered. But super exciting. We are going to vlog our vacation. So that'll be the next video that comes up and it'll be up next weekend when we get back. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I have everything that I'm packing in front of me, and also this is going to be like a mini haul. I really only got 2 things. I got this set. I've already kind of taken it apart, but I saved this little thing. It's from Sephora, and it's the Sephora Favorites Sun Safety Kit, and it has tons of sunscreen, CC cream, BB cream, like tons of stuff in there, and I cashed in a few points to get like travel size mascara and stuff like that. So I went through it. This is the stuff that I got in this kit that I'm not taking, but I figured while I pack, this is the stuff that I am going to take. So I'll let you know, and all this came from the kit. I mean, that kit, it was $32, and what was the value? A lot. I don't know. It was retail value $155, so it's a great deal. I think everything is deluxe size sample, but that's perfect when you're traveling in the summer. So I'm going to go over this as I talk about other things. So actually, let's just go through this right now, this stuff that I'm packing. Okay, the first thing that came in that kit, all this came from the kit. So this is a Peter Thomas Roth Max Sheer All Day Defense Sunscreen Lotion. And this is just great. We'll be putting tons of sunscreen on, so I'm excited to have that. This is a Super Goop. I've heard a lot of stuff about this brand, but I've never tried anything. And this is a sitting sunscreen serum, which I thought was very interesting. So it has SPF 30 in it, but it's also a serum, so it has anti-aging UV damage repair complex in it. And then let's see, this is the Vita Liberata Spectrum or SPF 50 sunscreen. So this will be great. This is for face, body, and hair, which, by the way, I got my hair done and it's super light. And so I will definitely be putting this because my scalp gets red. Actually, I should probably pack a hat. Okay, the next thing, this is going to be by Daily Moisturizer, and I've actually never tried this. My best friend Leslie just mentioned this in her summer favorites. And I had never even heard of it or tried it or anything, but it came in that kit. It's by Josie Moran, and it's the Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF 47. So it comes with a pump. This is the perfect size to take. So this is the moisturizer that I will be using. By the way, I have all my skincare in this. You probably don't want to see that. It's super boring. So I'm going to put all that in my skincare bag. And then I actually am not taking any foundations. I'm just taking these two products that were in that kit. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge CC Cream, and it does have SPF 30 in it. And this is the Dr. Jart BB Cream, SPF 45. This is the one that Tara Babies uses, and it looks beautiful on her skin. So I figured between these two, I will have sun protection and a little bit of coverage. You'll see the trend here that I'm not packing a ton of like full coverage makeup or smoky eye makeup or anything like that. But that's what I'm going to use for my foundation. And then actually for a primer, I've been loving this recently. I did a demo, or I used this in a video, my Cover FX custom cover drops. I used this Murad Invisible Perfecting Shield, and actually this, I already had this one, but another one this size came in this kit. So if you've been wanting to try this, snag that kit. But this is what I'm going to use for my primer. And then I did get this Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protection SPF 50 for face. I am going to have Brad put this on his face. So this is Brad's SPF. And then this is super cool. I've never heard this. This is the Ole Henriksen Total Truth Eye Cream, which I love the eye gel by Ole Henriksen, but this one has SPF 15 in it for under your eyes, which I think is amazing. So I'm going to put that in my skincare. A couple more boring things. These did come in the kit also. The Jack Black Lip Balm with SPF 25. This I'm packing for Brad, and then this I'm packing for me. The Sugar lip treatment. This is sunscreen SPF 15. I love this. I've already finished a whole tube of this, so I was excited to get that because these are like 20 bucks, the full size. So I was excited to get this in that little kit. And then let's see, I cashed in some points for these two products just so I could have them. This is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. I usually do a mask twice a week, and because I'll be gone for a full week, I'm going to go ahead and take this and mask on the cruise. And then this is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. So I haven't even opened this yet. This was a 100-point perk, and I'm going to pack this as my mascara along with my MAC Giga Black Lash Extended Play Mascara for my lower lashes, and of course my Tweezerman eyelash curler. So I did get this in the kit, but anyways. Okay, so that's everything that I'm packing from that kit. Another thing that I haven't hauled, and I'll just haul it right now, I repurchased my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC15. This is what I use to conceal and highlight under my eyes. I have been using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, but this is just so holy girl status for me, so I did repurchase it, and I'm going to pack it for this trip. And then, let's see, where do we want to go next? This is boring. I'm packing my Anastasia Brow Wiz, which is just a staple for me. It's so easy to travel with because it does have the spoolie on one end. The pencil is super quick and easy to pop in your brows, and I love that. I packed my Milani eyeshadow primer. And then, let's see, I already showed you the CC cream that I'm using. I am going to take a powder foundation. This is the Balance and Brighten by Laura Geller. This is the color Fair, which it works for me. I actually have this on today. If you're super like porcelain, I think this is going to be a little bit too dark for you, because for Fair, I feel like this is closer to light. Honestly, look at that. I don't know if you can tell. But I do think that if you're super pale, this might not work. But this works perfect for me in the summer, so I'm definitely taking that. Let me put that in my bag. And then another thing, for setting under my eyes, I'm taking the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Trio. This is just, for me, this is so easy to travel with. I love it because I can set my face with this, I can set under my eyes with this, and use this as a highlighter. And then I can use this to bronze up the skin. So every time I travel, I take this baby. I'm also going to take a second bronzer. I have been loving this recently for like no makeup days, which when I get back, I plan on filming that because in the summer, I wear such minimal makeup. But this is the Balance and Bronze foundation and bronzer in Fair. So I'm going to take this too because I love it. And then the last bronzer I'm going to take, I'm kind of on the fence with this. I don't even know, honestly. Actually, I'm not even going to take this. Thanks for helping me decide, y'all. And then for blushes, I'm just taking a couple. I'm taking my Hourglass blush palette because it has 3 blushes in it. These are beautiful blushes. They give you kind of a lit from within glow. You have 3 different options here. Love it. Super easy. They blend beautifully. They're perfect to travel with. And then what I have on my face today as a blush, and I've been loving it, is it's from the... what is it? The Wash and Dry by MAC. It was their new collection they just released. It's a highlight powder in the color Freshen Up, but it's on my cheeks as my blush today. After you get that overspray off, it's pretty much a matte blush. So I am packing that because I've been loving it. And then I am packing Smoke and Whistles Highlight by ColourPop just because I love it so much. And actually, because I'm taking the Hourglass palette, I'm not going to worry and take this too. Y'all are helping me. I am not an overpacker, by the way. Like, I'm not an overpacker. I might not even wear makeup some days, you know, on the cruise. But for eyeshadow palettes, I'm just taking a couple. Of course, I'm taking these are like my everyday Makeup Geek shades or eyeshadows. This one is a Makeup Forever one. I use this to set or to just do a light wash of color to correct any redness and to set my primer. This is a Makeup Forever, what is this? M530. I use it every single day. And then these are all Makeup Geek shadows. So I'm definitely taking this. This is like, goes with me everywhere. And then another one that I love to take everywhere is my Bobbi Brown quad. Now you buy these singly and then you can pop them in this Bobbi Brown palette. This is Camel, Lilac, Taupe, and Toast. Love these shadows. They're perfect to travel with. They're just staple colors. And then I figured if I wanted like a more colorful look or some purples, I don't know, I'm bringing the NARS Violetta Duo, and this is just a really pretty duo. I figured if I wanted to pop a color on the lower lash line, I could use that purple, or for a super simple eye, I could use the purple all over the lid and then this in the crease. So those are the only eyeshadow palettes I'm taking. And then I am taking my Urban Decay Black Velvet liner, the Glide On eyeliner. I probably won't wear eyeliner, but just in case I like get a wild hair and I want to, I'm gonna take that. And then I'm taking my Dior Maximizer, Lip Maximizer. I love this. I'm gonna put this in my skincare bag because I use it every morning as I'm doing my makeup. I'm taking my Skindinavia setting spray. This is the No More Shine makeup finishing spray. This is for oily skin. I have combo skin, but I find in the summer I do get a little more oily, especially because I'm using a BB or a CC cream. So I am going to take this just in case. And then the last few products are lip products. I'm taking the Dior lip liner in Grage, which just works perfectly with a couple of these lipsticks. And then I'm taking the Urban Decay lip liner in Anarchy. So these are the 2 lip liners I'm taking. And then to go with Anarchy lip liner, I'm taking the Urban Decay Anarchy lipstick. I figured if I wanted a hot pink lipstick, I can pair those 2 together, and they are just the perfect pair, obviously, because they were made for each other. And then I brought this. This is just, to me, this is a My Lips But Better shade. It's the Maybelline matte lipstick in Lust for blush. And this is just, I'm telling you, this is an easy color because it's matte. It lasts a long time, but it is very creamy, and it goes with every kind of eye look, and it just looks like your lips but better. And then I'm taking the Surratt lipstick in Heaven. I have been loving this. It is the most comfortable formula lipstick that I own at this point. This is another kind of your lips but better, but it's not matte. It does have a little bit of a a little bit of a sheen to it, but it feels so amazing on the lips. Obsessed with it. And then the very last lip product that I'm taking is Creme Brulee. It's Revlon Lip Butter. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It doesn't have a lot of color payoff, but it feels so good on your lips. It's just a really pretty nude, buttery lip color. So I am definitely taking that one. And that is it. That is what I'm packing for my trip. Like I said, I do have this whole bag that has like all of my skincare, and this bag is big enough that I can stuff the skincare bag in it as well, and I have it all in here. I have my brushes, my tools, my skincare, and my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your travel essentials are in the comments below. I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I will see you tomorrow for favorites. Bye.